Hello, Mr. Dowse here, and in this video we're going to look at how to write and then run and save our first Python program. So I'm going to open the Python shell. I'm going to go about it this way. If you're running Windows 10, it might be easier to click on the search bar and just type in IDLE, and that finds your idle. So it's entirely up to you which way you go or how your machine is set up. Once you've got into the shell, we go File and New to get into the editor, and I'm now going to write my first ever program, and I'm going to type in the command print. You can tell it's a command because it's gone purple. I'm going to type in a string which I have to enclose in quotes, and because I've enclosed it in quotes it's gone green, and I've just written hello green because I'm not thinking about what I'm writing. Hello world, that's much better, and I need to make sure that I've enclosed all of that in quotes. So there's my first ever program. There's my command, open and close brackets and quotes that show hello world, and the quotes have made hello world go green. Incidentally, I haven't used a single quote twice. What I've done, if you look at how that looks, it's not the same. I've used a double quote, which is Shift and 2, and it looks very different, and that's the one that you need to use. So having got this far, I'm going to run this, and I'm going to go to run module. Okay, I want to run this module. It tells me that this must be saved, and that's fine, so I'm going to say OK. And it tries to get me to save it in a Python folder. You don't want to save it there, you'll never find it again. You want to save it into your documents or somewhere like that. So I'll stick it on my desktop for now, and I'm going to call this Hello World because this is my first ever program, and I'm going to click Save. And my program runs in the shell, and it's displayed Hello World on screen. And that shows you how to run and save your first Python program. Thanks for watching.